Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at an all-new product, our Silica Waterless Wash and Coat. Our Silica Waterless Wash and Coat was specifically formulated for vehicles that have already been ceramic coated with Detail King's Jade ceramic coating line. However, it can still be applied to vehicles that do not have a ceramic coating on it. This wash is completely waterless. It has a 1/3 chemical makeup that is infused with SiO2, also called silica, which is the same chemical in ceramic coatings. The other 2/3 of the chemical makeup are strictly for dirt lift to ensure a swirl-free wash when it's properly used. Silica Waterless Wash and Coat is effective at removing road spray, grime, dust, and dirt. Now once this dirt is removed from your vehicle's surface, it will leave behind a thin coating on a vehicle that isn't already ceramic coated, or it'll boost or prolong the life of a vehicle that has already been ceramic coated. It's also great at leaving a deep glossy shine behind. So the first step in any waterless wash process is to actually inspect the paint. Waterless washes are a great tool to use and can lift dirt on any vehicle surface, but to a certain extent. If the dirt particles are too big or too dense, it won't be able to lift it properly from the vehicle's surface, and you can risk marring, swirling, and deep scratches. When you inspect the car, if you do find large particles of dirt, mud, or very dense areas of dirt like shown on the screen here, you might want to consider two different methods. One being using a pressure washer, a wash mitt, and a car wash shampoo to remove just the areas where the large dirt is. Or two, if the whole vehicle is very dirty, you might want to consider using a full wash up method the normal way. We do offer a detox silica wash that is similar to this waterless wash, except it's used in a normal wash method. The vehicle we are using today is a perfect candidate for the Silica Waterless Wash and Coat. It was ceramic coated about 6 months ago with Detail King's Jade quartz, and it has been driving around on salt-filled and slush-filled roads. Now we're going to begin the waterless wash process. We recommend using 2 super heavy fluffy plush microfiber towels. One's going to be for wiping away the dirt, and the other is going to be for buffing off the residue from the product. We recommend folding it into 8 sections, that way you know what side is dirty and what side's clean. To begin, we're going to spray the product on the vehicle's surface first, and then 1 or 2 spritz on our towel. As you wipe the dirt away, you'll want to roll your towel. That way, no contaminated parts of the towel are touching your vehicle's surface at any time. Then we'll take our second towel and buff away the residue. It's going to reveal a nice glossy high shine surface. Now we're going to finish the process on the rest of this vehicle. I recommend for each panel you use a new section of each microfiber towel. Okay guys, that was an overview of Detail King's new product, Silica Waterless Washing Coat. Make sure you like and subscribe. Visit us on Instagram and Facebook to stay up to date on everything Detail King. And for any of the products you saw used in today's videos, they're going to be linked in the description below. And don't forget, for all the products you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King, visit us right here at detailking.com.